To erase background of lock screen wallpaper on the always on display in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen and AOD. Tap lock screen and AOD. Next, tap always on display. Assuming that the always on display is on and you have turned on the option to show lock screen wallpaper, then the next step to do is tap the gray on offset next to erase background until the switch turns blue to turn it on. As a note, this option will be active if your lock screen wallpaper has people or animals as the main subject. Now to see the result, go to your lock screen. Since the display mode of the always on display on this phone is set to tap to show, tap the screen once to show always on display. You can see that your phone will display the main subject of the lock screen wallpaper as the background of your always on display. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.